You may find from time to time that you require some data for a form or what have you that we don't have a field for in the IMS. The solution to that is the Custom Fields app. With that, you can create any additional fields that you need. Now, to create a new field, go to System Settings, and over here in your Options list, select Custom Fields. Now, you see that we have entered a few in here, and it's very easy to add a new one. Just go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Add New Field. Just for the sake of it, we're going to put in more family. I believe there's enough room for that, but we're going to add it anyway. And we're going to put it in the family category. Now, you do see the options here where you can have just a single line of text. You can put in a text paragraph, multiple lines, and it does show you that we do have character limits there. Whether you need a number in that field, a phone number that is going to format that way, the date, which will pop up with a calendar for selecting the date, time for entering the hour, minute, and AM or PM, and a drop-down list. I'll get to that one in just a second. But first of all, we'll just create this More Family field. And there you have it. It pops right into our list. Now, you did notice that drop-down. We're going to create a new field here again. And we're going to label this location. And we'll put it in deceased. Basic info. And you'll see that as you're doing stuff like this, that you will get that drop down if that category is already there, that you can just select it. Now we're going to do a drop down list, and to show you how that works, what you'll want to do is you're going to add a value. So from our drop down list, we're going to put in the location with either home, and we'll add a second one. If for any purpose you need this, you can add it to the system. We click Save, and there's our new field. Now to show you how all these work, we'll go over to a record. And you'll see that we do have the Custom Fields option in our list here. Click on that, and there are all the custom fields that we have created. Okay, so there's our More Family one that I just created. And we have here funeral cars, which is a drop-down list. And we have our location, the new one that I just added, which is also a drop-down list. And you select whichever one you want. Those are preset, as you can see. So very simple to create new custom fields. If you find that there's something missing from the IMS that you really need for forms, these fields will pull data to your form, to stationary items, and as long as they're being used on the forms and stationary items, this will pull information from the record for you. Should you have any questions on how custom fields work, you can contact your project manager here at FrontRunner Professional, or send an email to support@frontrunner360.com.